To generate latest previous year question, just go to question bank. You can select any batches and you can create more batches also. This batch thing is just to differentiate the question used count according to every batch, so that you will not repeat any question to the any batch. Like I am going for this JEE new batch. Just select the class, then go to any subject, then easy level. In the easy category, we have added the previous year questions. Like we are going for this quadratic equation. Suppose you want to generate only JEE Main 2003 and 22 questions. So just select these two topics. So in these two topics, we have 24 questions. So 24 questions have been asked from this chapter. So like I'm selecting 4 or 5 questions from this quadratic equation. You can see once you have selected question, it will get used in the software, so that next time you will not repeat these questions, but no restriction, you can use the same question again and again. Again, clear it. Suppose you want to add one more chapter, like we are going for this definite integration, only JEE Main 2023 asked questions. So in this one, total 30 questions available. You can select some questions from here and click on add to paper. Similarly, we have added for the physics, you can see any chapter, like I am going for this Newton's laws of motion. NEET previous year questions of last 30 years are also added. So you can select the NEET previous year questions also, like I am selecting 2-3 questions from here. So like this, you can generate the latest previous year questions. To generate JEE Advanced previous year questions, you can select any chapter. In a topic, we have added the JEE Advanced previous year questions. You can see JEE Advanced previous year questions. So you can see total 5 questions available for this chapter. So you can select from these also. So like this, you can select the questions. Like I'm selecting one question from here. Now to generate, just click on generate question paper. Like this time we are generating it on blank template. So here we have the question paper file. After that, it will generate the solution file. So here we have the question paper file and here we have the solution file. So you, like this, you can generate the latest previous year questions also within minutes.